welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be my iPhone 11 Pro Max case collection. I did separate videos on these cases, or some of these cases, on this channel with unboxing videos. So if you are interested in watching me unbox these cases or some of these cases, feel free to go to my unboxing playlist after this video and check out those videos along with some other videos that I have in there. But today I wanted to film a video with all of the cases together. I am going to be getting rid of these cases because I did recently upgrade my phone. So I do need to get rid of these cases. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these cases brand new, I do have a link down below this video to my Amazon store, and a lot of these cases are available there. Or if you're interested in any of the cases that I'm showing you on this video that are slightly used, be sure to reach out to me via email. My email is btalks@yahoo.com, and I'll cut you a really good deal. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I am showing you the first case. It's a wallet case. It's kind of like a teal blue color, and I really liked it. I'm just showing you the pouch. I didn't really wear this case too often, but I did wear it occasionally, I guess. And I enjoyed wearing it. I did get lots of compliments when I had it. I used to wear it as a crossbody with a chain going across my body. And then sometimes I took the chain off and I just wore it as a traditional case. I like these cases because it does provide protection for your phone. It allows you to go shopping, go out of the house, and have everything that you need right there. You know, you really don't have to take your purse with you if you don't want to. So I really enjoyed wearing this case. This was a really pretty, I mean, it still is a really pretty case. And it's very sturdy. It's made with quality. I don't know if I dropped it outside, but I'm more than certain that I dropped it in the house. And I know that, you know, when I dropped it in the house, I did drop it on carpet and things like that. So, you know, I never did like a drop test with this case or anything like that. I typically don't with my cases. But I've had tons of cases where I can tell what case is going to be sturdy and which one, you know, may not be sturdy, which ones are just for looks. So I really like this case. This case was really cool to wear. I enjoyed the color and I enjoyed the convenience of being able to have my phone, you know, my cards, my change, and I also enjoyed being able to wear this case. So this was a pretty cool case for me. So we're going to go ahead and move right along to the next case. This is the next case. Now, I really love this case. Although it's not a wallet case, I don't always wear wallet cases. I like the design of this case, and I really liked how the material looked. It kind of has like a glossy finish to it. So it looks really pretty when it's you know, the phone's up to your ear in the case when you're out in public. I also really enjoyed using this case. Now this case is, it's a different style than both of the cases that I just showed you. It has this like protector or protective guard around the edges of the case so that if the case was to drop, or if the phone was to drop, the phone would definitely be protected. I also love clear cases, but I love clear cases with like sometimes with like an extra design to them. So although this case wasn't clear or anything like that, I still liked it. It did get worn very often. So as you can see, like around the gold part of the case, the gold is coming off because I wore it so much. But I wore it so much because it's so pretty. It's really pretty, and it definitely protected my phone. It felt sturdy. It didn't feel like it was a flimsy case, or it didn't feel like my phone was going to fall out of the case. And yeah, I really enjoyed using this case as well. I mean, I enjoyed using all of the cases, to be honest, but this one was definitely one of my favorite cases. So moving right along, the next case that I'm going to show you is this case. Now, this case did not have like a design, obviously, or anything like that, but I did like the feel of this case. This case feels really good in your hands. It how can I explain it? It feels really soft, and it feels like it grips your phone. So I don't feel like my phone is sliding out of my hands. There are some cases that you can get, or some phones that you can have in general, that just feel really slippery or not secure in your hands. They feel like they will fall out of your hands. This case does not feel like that. It really, like I mentioned, feels like your phone is gripped and secured. And also the inside of the case is just, it feels so good. And the case was very sturdy, or it is very sturdy as well. Not flimsy at all. I just kind of tried to bend it a little bit to show you, but I like that case as well. The next case is a wallet case. It's similar. It's exactly the same as the wallet case that I showed you in the beginning of the video. However, and here it is. However, it's a different color. So if you've been watching this channel, then you know my favorite color is pink. So, of course, I love this case. I love this case by default because I really, really love pink. And not just that, but like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I like wallet cases because I do like the convenience of not having to carry in your purse if you don't want to. However, sometimes the thought did cross my mind, like, man, it would be really, really unfortunate if I was to lose my phone and then everything else went along with my phone. It's nowhere to be found. So I would be a little nervous sometimes wearing wallet cases depending on where I'm going. But it's still a really good idea if you can keep a hold of it. I really didn't use the card portion of this wallet case. I put some change in it before, and I actually put dollars in the change portion as well. But I really didn't put like my cards or anything like that in that wallet case. This is another case that I have. Now, this case also came with another part. It came with a part, as you can see, those two little buttons. It's another part that clipped on top of it that I cannot find. I took it off one day and I don't know where I put it. It may be lost in my car. It may be lost somewhere in this house. I don't know where it's at. But I liked using this case too. I really like the stretchy sides, because you can unbutton the top part and put like your cards in there, or some money in there, or whatever you want. You can just put, something that is about the size of a card in that section. I also liked how this case feels on the inside. And I did wear this case pretty frequently as well. And I also did drop my phone outside in this case. And my phone is still fine. So that case definitely provided protection for my phone. This case is similar to the pink case that I showed you in the beginning as well. I didn't really wear this case as much as I wore the pink case, so it's in a little bit of a better condition than the pink case is in. But this case is really sturdy and provided protection for my phone as well. I wore this case probably about a handful of times, and I think I wore this case just to give that pink case that looks like this a break, because I was wearing that so frequently. But I really like the glossy finish of that case. Here's another clear case that I wore. With these cases, I like the protective sides. I really like those. I don't know if they're bumpers or what the correct terminology for these are, but I really like that because, or if they're like shot guards, or I don't know. I don't know what they're called, but I like it because if the phone drops, it just provides an added level of security for me. I do like clear cases, so I have just a plain clear case too. However, I prefer to wear clear cases with some kind of design. So that's why I really, really gravitated toward this flower case, because it was clear. Or it is clear, and it had the protective sides, and it also had some kind of design. Now, I like this case too. I recently spilled coffee on this flower, so you can kind of see like a yellowish tint on that flower there, like the top flower. And that's because, like I said, I spilled coffee and I tried to wipe it off. I didn't wipe it off with soap and water. I just wiped it off with like a dry rag. So I might go back and try to clean it off a little bit more. This case right here, I really didn't wear or didn't use too often. I used it a handful of times too. And this case protects your whole phone. So not just the back and the sides, but it actually protects the front as well. So if you are someone that doesn't want to go out and get a screen protector, this type of case may be best for you because, like I said, it protects the whole phone. This case I wore probably more than I wore. This is the case I did wear the most out of all wallet cases. And you can tell this is the one that looks a little bit more worn than the other wallet cases. I've dropped this case and my phone did not shatter, crack, or anything like that. And I wore this case because it went with a lot. It was, it's just the black wallet case. And like I said, I've already explained the convenience that wallet cases provide. And I lost the strap to this case. So when I lost the strap, I just started wearing it with like the smaller strap that came with it. But this is a strap that I found in my cell phone case collection, but it doesn't go with this case, I don't believe, because the details on this case are gold, or the detailing is gold, and then on that strap, the detailing is silver. So that strap may actually go to this case. I really can't remember, honestly, but I never wore that case with a strap. But if I wanted to, I would do something like this. I would just clip it there and then just wear it as like a crossbody or over my shoulder, or I would just wear it like that. So all of these cases really were sturdy and provided protection. I really don't have any complaints with any of the cases. I really enjoyed wearing all of them. So like I mentioned, if you do want to see the initial unboxing videos of all of these cases, please feel free to go to my unboxing playlist and you'll be able to watch my first impressions on a lot of these cases. Also, if you're interested in purchasing any of these cases brand new, click the link down below. I have an Amazon link where some of these cases are. And if you're interested in any of the used cases featured in this video, reach out to me via email at btalks@yahoo.com and I will offer a great deal. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.